Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you're welcome. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by again. Thank you, I really do appreciate. So if you watched my last video, you know what this is all about. I'm going to be recreating Pinterest Christmas decorations. Okay, I already have a tree branch behind me. You guys saw that in the last video, but for reference purposes, I'm going to insert pictures of what I'm talking about here. So we're just going to go on ahead to decorate and all that. So yeah, let's just get into it.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes.
Okay, so you guys, this is what it looks like. So far, I think it's too big. Okay, I don't know about you, but it looks pretty to me though. I do like it, to be honest. Like, I do like it. I like weird things, but I do like it this way, but I think it's too big. It would have been closer to the wall. Yeah, it would have been more intentional. Like, it would look like something planned if it's close to the wall. You get? Hey guys, this is the next morning. So yesterday I couldn't finish up because I had errands to run, so I just had to suspend everything. But yeah, yesterday I ended up trimming the branch because it looked too big, like it was just too big. So I had to trim it down, pour sand into the clay pot just to support it. And yeah, that was all I did. This is the fairy light I was talking about, the one I said I had since last year. So this is what it is, what it looks like, just a plug, and you know, like, this is just normal Christmas lights that we know. I got these yesterday. These are the Christmas toys, and this is a pack of 6, and I got 5 of it. Yeah, this is the last one. I got 5 of it, so I think this will be enough. So let's go into decorations.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways,